Hi everyone. The four queens problem here, we have to arrange the four number of queens in the 4 by 4 chessboard with criteria. No two queens will attack each other. The criteria is here, without attacking each other, we have to place the queens in different rows and different columns and different diagonal wise. That means if you place the queens in the same row, I am placing the q1 here, and if I am going to select another column in the same row, queen 2 for placing, then the queen 1 will attack the queen 2. Likewise, if you place the queen 2 in the same column in the different rows also, this queen 1 will attack another queen. If you place the queens in the different diagonals, that means same diagonals in the different rows, queen 2, so this will attack each other, and this will also attack queen 3. So like that, we cannot place the queens in the same row or same column or same diagonal position. So the problem statement is here, we have to arrange all four queens in the 4 by 4 chessboard without attacking each other. Here we are going to select the position for ith queen in the ith row. So start with the position 1 comma 1 by placing the queen 1. So here queen 1 is placed in the leftmost row, so there is no issue because this is the first queen placing in the chessboard. The partial candidate solution is here 1. Then we are going to select the second queen. The second queen has to be placed in the second row, so we have to select the position here, the 2 comma 1 second row first column. You cannot place the queen 2 because it is the same column for the queen 1, and you cannot place the queen 2 in the 2 comma 2 because this is the same diagonal position, so you cannot place here. So what we have to do, we have to move the next column in the same row. So here we can place the queen 2. Here the diagonal position also don't have the queen 1. In this also the this right side diagonal position need not to check because here we didn't move still in the right side position as per the this previous queen is placed in the previous columns. So here the queen 2 is placed in the 2 comma 3, right? So now the candidate solution, partial solution is for the queen 1 the first column, the for the queen 2 third column. Now we are going to place the third queen in the position that we have to check now. So when you are checking the queen 3, the first column here you cannot place here because queen 1 is there, so we cannot place it. And when you are placing the queen 3 here, this is the diagonal position for the queen 2, so we cannot place here. Queen 3 here, it is same column, we cannot place here. Then queen 3 in this position, so this is the diagonal position, so we cannot place here. So then what to do? So due to this, queen 1 and queen 2 attacks that queen 3 wherever you are placing as per current scenario, current state. So what we have to do, we have to backtracking, apply the backtracking now to change the position of the previous two queens. So now queen 2 is trying to move to the next position by as per the backtracking method. So now queen 3 previously it was placed in the uh, third column, now we are moving into the fourth column. So now the partial solution is changed, candidate solution 1 comma 4, previously it was 1 comma 3. Now we are trying to place the queen 3 after placing the queen 2 in the fourth column. So now the same column, this one is it is avoided because it will attack by queen 1. Then here we will check, so this is not having any queen in the diagonal position and same column and same row, so we can place the queen 3 in the column number 2 of third row. So now the partial solution is one first column for the first queen, fourth column for the second queen, third column for the second column for the third queen. Okay, so now the this one is 2, right? So now the queen 4 we have to place. So queen 4, when you are placing here, this is attacked by the q1, and when you are placing in the position this one, this is attacked by queen 3. Queen here queen 4, when you are placing, this one is also attacked by the queen 3, and when you are placing here, this one is attacked by this one and also this diagonal position. So now we cannot place the queen 4 as per the current state. So what we have to do, we have to go back by applying the backtracking approach. So in the backtracking approach, now what we have to do, so we are making the possible choices. q2 is already explored, so again we are going back for the next step, previous step. So here we are moving the queen 1 from 1 comma 1 to 1 comma here 3, 1 comma 1 to 1 comma 2. Then it is not, if it is not possible, then we are moving another one position 1 comma 3. So now as per this, queen 1 is placed in the position of second column, and the queen 2 is placed in the position of fourth column, and queen 3 is placed in the position of first column, and queen 4 is placed in the position of fourth column. So this is one of the solution. And in backtracking method, there is possibility of many solution for the single problem statement. So when we are applying any again backtracking method, there is another kind of solution. The first queen can be placed in the third column, second queen can be placed in the first column, the third queen can be placed in the fourth column, and the fourth queen can be placed in the second column of the fourth row. So there is possibility of many solutions in the backtracking method. Thanks for watching.